I'm just starting off showing you the different products that I will be using this tutorial, as well as the essential oils, leave-in conditioner, and the steamer that I will be using. This is just the bottle that I got from Sally's that I will mix my oils in. I start off with about 13 or 14 pumps of neem oil. Then I put about another 12 or 13 pumps of peppermint oil. I add in about another probably 10 or 11 pumps of tea tree oil. And then I usually put about 14 or 15 pumps of avocado oil, but it wasn't that much less. So I just went on and dumped the rest of the bottle in there. So it's probably about 20 or 30 pumps. Who cares? Who's counting? Then I will go ahead and put about another 13 or 14 pumps of the argan oil in there. And I put about 13 or 14 pumps of lavender, which is really good for stimulating growth, and as well as the rosemary that I also add in there, about another 12 or 13 pumps of that. And I go ahead and I put a good amount of grapeseed oil in there because it's a really light oil, but it's really good for adding moisture. And I put a lot of jojoba oil in there, which is the closest oil that we naturally produce. And I put a good amount of castor oil in there, which is a really thick moisturizing oil. And I use that as like a filler to kind of, get the amount that I need of the oil to cover my hair as well as my child's. And I use vegetable glycerin oil, which is another thick oil that's good as like a filler oil. And I do not actually put the sweet almond oil in the bottle because my daughter has a nut allergy. So I just add that to my hair at the end. And as you can see, I'm washing my hands because I touched it. And I'm very cautious about making sure I don't touch things that she's allergic to and then interact with her. Then I put a good amount of black Jamaican castor oil, which is another thick, rich oil. And I give it a few little shakes, and now I'm ready to start the shampoo process. I start off with the Cream of Nature apple cider vinegar cleanser. It does not lather up, but it is really good for getting the build off your scalp. And then because I do like lavender, I use the Mielle Baboso shampoo, and I wash my hair about twice with that. Then I just go in and I add this conditioner to actually detangle my hair, starting at the ends and going up, showing you how much hair I kind of lose. Then I rinse all of that conditioner out, and after that I'm ready to go ahead and apply my Weedat Meltdown, which is like really, really good for moisturizing and just getting your curls back, because I mean my hair was straight for like actually closer to like almost 4 weeks. So I want to really make sure that I put a generous amount of that throughout my hair. I part it in half and then I just go through and split it. This is just what the steamer looks like that I sit under. It's about a 20-minute process. Sometimes I do 2 rounds, but this time I just did one because I wasn't in the mood to do two. So I'm just clipping my hair to the top of my hair, and I do not wear a cap when I sit under my steamer because I actually like the steam to penetrate my strands without a cap. And so I just sit and chill and watch TV. My daughter came in and said she was in a canoe and that the wind started blowing, so she had to go because her canoe was ready to take on off. So she scooted on out the way. So after that process of steaming is done, I just rinse out that conditioner really, really well. And then I go ahead and add my leave-in, which is the Mixed Chicks leave-in. And here is the almond oil that I add to my hair. And I do put a good amount of this Mixed Chicks oil, or excuse me, leave-in, along with my oil. And then I go through with my denim, Lord Jesus, I can't speak, brush, and just make sure my hair is still detangled. So after I've done that, I just kind of finger detangle my hair, make sure that it's kind of all to the back because I don't really like to have a part in my hair. Then I just go in and add some heat protectant spray, and I usually will diffuse my hair, but I wasn't in the mood. Then just adding some more oil for sheen. I put some of this Blueberry Bliss by Curls on my edges and just kind of brush those back. And this is my wash and go. So I don't really do a whole lot with my hair, but if you guys would like to see more tutorials like this, or if you would like me to try different styles with my hair, just go ahead and keep commenting below and let me know what you would like to see, and I will try to make sure that I am producing videos that you guys want to watch, because I mean, I can look at it for myself, but I mean, I already know what I do. So what's the fun in that? But yeah, if there's anything else that you all would like to see, please make sure you comment and let me know. I hope you guys have had a great week, a wonderful week. And remember, taking the first step can be the hardest step, but it can also be the most rewarding. Go ahead, step out on faith, trust God to see you through, and know that everything else will fall into place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video, and let's go ahead and make this channel a success. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, peace, love, and blessings. Bye.